You got games on your phone?
No!
It's me, news reporter, Little Cat. And we are with... We are in with the wild, and we have seen the the creature. We must stop it. We think it's a wild bottlenose lion. Those creatures quite ugly. No, they're alright looking, but no, for real, that creature. We gotta go check it out. Okay, it seems as we shall go look for the creature as we walk this way. The creature! It's hideous! We must kill its ugliness in the light of day so we can stop being ugly and scaring people's faces. We shall chase the creature. Hey, neighbors. Bruh. Hey, yo. Anwar, if you're watching that video, is that your house over there? Please comment. Okay, so we walk in. I know another house that looks just like the one you described to me. Anyway, we're off task. Okay. We must sneak around the corner. It has shaken its booty. Hashtag Gotti. I am trying to be British, but it's not working. Or Australian. I really hope this video is not commented racist. I'm not trying to. Wild lion. Or ugly bottlenose creature. We don't know what it is. It's very danceful. It's getting closer. We see the creature dancing in all its fame and glory. It hops on top of a car, doing what is called smoking a cigarette. Didn't know lions could do that.
Ooh.
As we watched the lion by its feet, and it dropped its lighter.
Come here.
No.
Take my picture of my phone. Please.
Be right back. And we're back. And the information that we figured out from this discovering video is that I, not a real reporter, but I will still do more videos like this, with real animals, much like dogs and other creatures. And I am outside sitting on a couch. I don't know why this couch was placed outside, but it was.
Come over here.
Stool time! Okay, so now we continue with this Discovery Channel. We see a Jeep. We are not being sponsored at all, because I never get sponsored. But Jeep is in the background. Look at it. Just look at the car just staring at me. Look at you. Look at you staring at me. Just look at it staring. Then we're going to go on a nature discovery where we climb the bestest of the trees. I feel like full pro right now. Okay. As we continue to climb up this epic tree. Oh crap. Oh crap. Watch me try to get up. It's attacking the creature. You see it.
Do you want to fight?
It has just challenged me.
Calm down.
The creature, it's trying to attack me. Please have mercy. We must end the video now.